to my channel, Rabbani 110Z.
My name is Malik Zulfikar and then I share you some information about Siemens PLC. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Siemens PLC Programmable Logic Controller are the backbone of modern industrial automation, primarily operating under the Semitic product family. They are programmed using the TIA portal software, which combines logic, HMI screen, and drive controls into a single cohesive engineering environment. Core hardware controller families. Siemens controllers are sized and scaled to meet the needs of any project, ranging from small standard machines to highly complex distributed plant architectures. Semitic S7 1200, a compact, modular and budget-friendly controller ideal for basic to advanced machine automation. The newer generation 2 G2 series offer significantly faster processing speeds and increased memory. Semitic S7 1500, the flagship advanced controller designed for high performance and large scale industrial tasks. It offers extreme reliability and extensive diagnostic capabilities. Distributed controllers ET200 SP. These combine the functionality of powerful controller with the compact footprint of remote IQ system, making them perfect for environment with strict space limitations. Logo Logic Module, a microcontroller suited for small, simple automation tasks like pump and lighting control or minor building automation. Legacy and system. The older S7300 and S7400 series are still widely deployed, through the newer S7 1200 and S7 1500 lines are the current standard. Software and programming. Software and programming environment. All modern Siemens PLC are configured, programmed and maintained using Semitic Step S7 TIA portal. This software allows you to program the controllers using standard IEC 61131-3 language, such as a ladder logic function, block diagram and structured text. To help you test code before deploying in the real world, Siemens provide S7 PLC which allows you to run virtual simulation of automation. So I try to give my viewers information about Siemens PLC all models, because now advanced also new model available in the market. Okay, so I try to show him on control panel. Okay, design, also PLC, how look like new PLC and old PLC, how it look like, how is configuration. Okay, so I try to make a next video and give you information how to connection the wires. Okay, and how make the logic. Okay, any programming, how you can make it. And software is very easy. Okay, software, if you want to learn about software, it is very easy. You can install your laptop and you can understand. So please like and subscribe my video. So inshallah, next my video I will be give you more information about PLC and HMI. Okay, and I try to give you the how's a connection. Okay, because connection are also very important. So take care. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.